Chennai, July 19. Director Kamalakannan's much-awaited thriller, Vattam, featuring actor Sibiraj in the lead, will have its premiere on the OTT platform Disney+Hotstar. Produced by S.R.Prakash, Babu and S.R.Prabhu of Dream Warrior Pictures, the film's story has been written by Srinivas Kavinayam, known for having jointly written the story of the critically acclaimed entertainer, Soodhu Kavvum, along with Nalan Kumarasamy Vattam. An edge-of-the-seat thriller revolves around a bunch of characters, Mano, Ramanujam, Gautham, and Paru, who experience a turbulent set of events in a span of 24 hours. The events change their lives and perception about life forever. Talking about the film, Sibiraj says, Vattam is an important film in my career as it marks my first association with the prestigious Dream Warrior Pictures. I have always admired S.R.Prabhu and S.R.Prakash for their passion for cinema and their constant quest for selecting unique content and delivering the same in top-notch quality. The fact that Vattam has been written by Srinivas Kavinayam of Soodhu Kavvum fame and directed by Kamalakannan of Madhu fame excited me even further as I enjoyed the freshness and quirkiness of both these films. I would say Vattam has fulfilled my long-standing desire of playing a simple boy next-door character. I play Mano, a happy-go-lucky chap who does not have big ambitions but loves to live the moment. Although I am the protagonist, the movie gives equal importance to the other characters, especially the ones played by Andrea Jeremiah and Atulya Ravi. Director Kamalakannan says, the place of hopping on and off always remains the same when we look to get onto a giant wheel. Similarly, our everyday lives begin in the same usual way. We travel through the same routes, meet the same people, carry the same ideas, perform the same tasks, and the day ends. We repeat the same processes the next day. A small change in these patterns can turn a day upside down, make us question our habits, and urge us to look back at our lives. And when we reach the same point where we have to get off, as in the case of a giant wheel, we can see a huge transformation happen within. The transformation will include our habits as well. This will be the core premise of Vattam. Audience will have a giant wheel experience with questions about the drama. Vattam is one such story where the lives of a bunch of people, totally alien to each other, cross paths. In a span of 24 hours, their lives and perspectives towards life changes, he said. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.